Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class, we are going to study the statistical concepts in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is exponential distribution. In the previous lectures, we have already learned a continuous uniform distribution. Now from today's lecture, we will start a second continuous distribution known as exponential distribution. In the exponential distribution, we will learn the 2 points. Number 1, definition of exponential distribution, and the second point is distribution function of exponential distribution. So let us start with the definition. Definition of exponential distribution. Suppose x is a continuous random variable and it is said to follow exponential distribution, then its PDF is given by fx equal to theta e raised to minus theta x for x greater than equal to 0 and theta positive. Here the range of a random variable x is from 0 to infinity and theta is the parameter of exponential distribution and which is positive, and it is 0 otherwise. PDF is 0 otherwise means for x greater than equal to 0 it is theta e raised to minus theta x, and if x is less than 0 the PDF is 0. It is denoted as x follows exp of theta, where theta is the parameter of exponential distribution. Now let us start with the second point, distribution function. Distribution function, or it is also known as cumulative distribution function, and it is denoted by CDF. Suppose x follow exponential theta, then the distribution function or the CDF of random variable x is defined as, we know that distribution function is denoted by capital Fx and defined as probability x less than equal to x. Since x is a continuous random variable, we can calculate this probability with the help of integration as minus infinity to x ft dt. Here x is exponential, so x is positive, hence the lower limit is starts from not from minus infinity, it starts from 0 to x theta e raised to minus theta t dt. As theta is a parameter number which is positive, take it outside the integration, theta integration 0 to x e raised to minus theta t dt. Now integrate e raised to minus theta t, which is e raised to minus theta t divided by the derivative of minus theta t, which is minus theta, limit is from 0 to x. This theta is cancelled with this, so it comes out to be minus e raised to minus theta t 0 to x. Substitute the limit of integration, we shall get CDF as substitute the upper limit first. E raised to minus theta x minus e raised to 0 we know that e raised to 0 is 1. Multiply minus sign into the bracket. 1 minus e raised to minus theta x. This is the CDF of exponential distribution with parameter theta. For x greater than equal to 0 and theta positive. In this way, in this lecture, we learn what is exponential distribution, its definition, and the cumulative distribution function of exponential distribution and how it is calculated. In the previous lectures, we have learned continuous uniform distribution. If student want to learn all the terms of continuous uniform distribution, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that lecture is also given in the description box. In the previous lectures, already we have learned the basic concepts of statistics, central tendency of measures of central tendency, and some basic concept of mathematics are also taken. If student want to learn all the topics, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that lectures and their playlist are also given in the description box. If student like this lecture, then click on the like button and share with your friends to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. We will meet in the next lecture with the next concept. Till then, we will stop here and we will meet with the new term of exponential distribution. Thank you.